The big ones in the middle?
The big ones?
Okay, go to the left side, 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Just like a 50 meters, and then on the cliff you can see a huge face with the mouth, nosing erosion, the eyes, and then there are like a 4 columns. Can you see the big 4 columns on the top? That's the crown.
Okay.
Under that crown we got the forehead, the eyes, the nose, the mouth, and a kind of long beard.
Okay.
You see it?
That takes
I thought that was an elephant.
No.
That takes some,
¿Les has mostrado tu nupa o no? Muéstrales.
No, I see it.
You see that?
Yeah, no, it looked to me like a long.
Little face.
You said it was a deer.
Yeah. The beer is made by these
Like
Spanish monks.
what is this up here, this building?
Just some storehouses.
Storehouse, okay.
And here houses. You know, we call the military area.
Okay.
It's on the military. The houses were higher with a gable end. Never had water here, but they were intending to transport the water. Can you see there the channels, the rock? So from far away, higher up, they were building these channels, you know, to transport the water up here. For a while, they need the servants bringing the water from the bottom up to the hills.